Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to increase hot water temperature in your shower. So now we need to take hex key, the one that is going to work to remove a handle, and as you can see there is an invisible, almost invisible to an eye hole, and we need to choose which hex key is going to work to unscrew this small screw. This is the one that I need. This is an L-shaped hex key, and I'm gonna start unscrewing this screw. You need to unscrew carefully and make sure not to lose the screw in the drain. So now I'm gonna carefully take it. So this is a screw that we were removing, and now I can just simply slide this handle. The next step is gonna be to remove these two screws. I'm gonna use an electric screwdriver. This is actually a drill to remove two screws because it's much faster than to use a regular screwdriver. One is removed. Very long one. Second one is removed. So I put aside two of the screws. Now we're gonna slide this plate. And next step will be to remove this part. So now, as you can see, we have this part, and as you can see, we have one letter H and one letter cold. So if you wanna this to be cold, this is already to the maximum position. So what we have to do is slide this part from its current position and place it to the hotter position, which is going to be like so. And now, as you can see, we moved this arrow to the hot position. This is, we can try to make a bit hotter. So this is going to be a maximum for a hot position. So, and this is how you can increase hot water temperature in your shower. And as you can see, this is very easy process, and you can actually take your handle right now, and before putting everything into its place, you can actually control a temperature of your water with this part being exposed. And when you're satisfied with the hot water temperature, then you can put everything back in its place. So it's very easy. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna find a temperature that I like. Then I'm gonna start putting everything back together. The previous position was too hot. I decided to keep it this way. And now I'm gonna put everything back together. So I'm gonna screw this part back in its place. Now I'm gonna take a plate and slide it over like so. And I need to line these two screws with two holes, which can be a bit challenging. I found the first one. So now I need to find the second one. Looks like I already found it. Found the other one. So now I'm gonna take my screwdriver and the final part is to attach this handle. Simply slide it. So take your screw, attach it to your hex key and push it into its place and start screwing this small screw. And now everything is attached. So this is a very easy way to increase hot water temperature in your shower. And as always, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.